Hi, I'm Migs. I'm a new film photographer and I post videos about my film photography journey. And on this video, I want to talk about the Nikon F50 SLR film camera. I purchased this camera last March and it came with a manual Tamron lens. Actually, it's a macro lens, so it's a pretty good buy for me. And I was able to test this one using a Fujicolor C200, but because of the quarantine, it took a while for me to finish the roll and to have it develop. So most of the photos I took using this camera was during the first week of quarantine. And my thoughts about this camera is, it's a good transition camera from digital to film. It has the same features as your modern DSLR, and the good things on this camera specifically, it will accept modern Nikon DX lenses, like the one I have here. This is a DSLR and it has a DX lens, a kit lens, and I can use this lens on this film camera body. Using a manual lens, you cannot use the light meter, but if you use a modern DX lens, you could use the light meter for this one. For the test roll, I only use the manual lens, which means I don't have any light meters. I just have to use the Sony 16 tool or use my phone light meter app to get the proper exposure, because I want to test the camera as it is. I had a fun time using this camera. It's not as sexy as your older SLR cameras like the Canon AE1, but it's still a dependable camera. And without further ado, here are the photos. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Again, I'm Migs. Until next time, bye!